Alexis, did you seriously just ask me what tree? That tree.
It's Dad. He's home.
Nope.
That's not Dad. No. I miss him.
No, that is the wrong magic. There's magic. That project does not look near good.
Why gotta be mean to the cars? So yeah, it's rain. It's what it is.
What would you do if Dad came home with the blue minivan that says "I love my sister"? That sister. What would you do?
I don't know. Be shocked.
What would you do if Dad sold Mom's car for $10,000?
Well, I just saw lightning.
Okay, so what would you do if Dad came home?
It's cold now.
Home with the Range Rover.
I don't know what I'd do.
Mom got a Beetle. What would you do? I'll be like, oh, when I turn 18,
you're gonna have to.
My own car.
You're gonna have. Thank you for buying me my car. Yeah.
I would be like, this is gonna be one good 16 party. I'm gonna get a car. So when I turn 16,
You have to be 18 to legally drive.
When I turn 16, I'm gonna try out for the driver's test. Then I'm already.
You can be 15 in 9 months to do that. You can be 15 in 9 months to do that. And judging by how slow Mom and Dad are letting me taking to let me get my permit, you're probably gonna be later in age.
Okay.
It's pouring hard.
Okay, so when I turn 17, I'm gonna drive a license. I'm gonna have my
18, Ethan. 18.
So I have to be 18 to drive.
You legally, yes. They changed it. You can't be 16 anymore.
Well, that's crappy.
Yes,
okay,
it
so
is.
When I turn 18,
well, I'm getting
my
wet.
driver's license, I'm gonna be driving
oh,
the
man.
blue Range Rover with the big old wheels. Oh,
it's cold out here now.
A big fat raindrop almost went on my nose.
Ooh.
And the 3 cars I want to get when I grow up are a Dodge truck, a Range Rover, and a motorcycle.
Really?
You would get a Beetle. That's it.
You were so close. I want a Lexus also, so I can have the license plate say Alexis.
You want a Beetle and a Lexus.
Yes, I do. Let me turn this off. It's 3 minutes now. So
And
yeah, here's the storm. Yeah, goodbye.